Right, because I have too many things to do, I decide I'm going to do some simple ones first. And I'm going to start off with... maybe you? Why are you so tight? There you go. So, we have Pikachu and Eevee. We have two of these, and I think either one of them is 48 or both of them are 48. It's all one bag. So, if I be smart, I'm going to spread all of these out into numbers. Because I think they organize the numbers anyway. Are they numbered? They are not. This is going to be interesting. So here are some pins. I think these are the keys. Pikachu there. That's a Pikachu. That's a back of Pikachu. Actually, I'm going to try and do this without the instructions. I'm just going to vaguely read through it so I know what's going on. But I'm not actually going to read it. It makes it a little bit more interesting. Is the tail. That's the front of Pikachu's. That's Pikachu's face. So that probably goes there. That's the bottom of Pikachu. That's the back of the face, back of the head. Is it? So that goes there. No, that doesn't go there. That feels body-like. Head. Good. Those are arms or feet? That's a feet. Okay, so feet goes here. Okay, so there's that. I feel like this is head. Head pieces go there for now. That's a body piece. So, do you fit there? Yes, you do fit there. Good. Your midsection body. So, feet. And this is ears. So ears go top of head. Okay, that seems like it should be here-ish, towards the back. So that one. Yes, good. Good. Okay, now we have a base layer to start with. That one. Okay. And then that feels like it should fit. But it doesn't, so we won't force it in. That. Let's move the tail out of the way because I think that needs a pin. And then let's do that way. Okay, so I need now the top bit as well. So before this, we need to have... So there should be a piece the back of the head. Yes, okay. So there's that. And then this should go over here. Yes, okay, good. Good. Now we have half a body. Then I think... Okay, so another piece first before that goes on. A little bit of this one. Does it fit the shape? Yes, it does. Just a little bit wonk. Okay. Whoop. Here goes the ear as well. Does it matter which way? Is there only one ear? There should be two, right? Oh, there should be another ear. Oh, there we go. It's hiding in here. So one ear there. One ear there. Nope, wrong way around. They are keyed. That's a bit tight. That's fine. That one. And then that fits there. That fits. Nice. And then one more layer before we start closing up Pikachu. Looking pretty good actually. And then I think that's one thin layer, and then it kind of makes sense that they use stickers because otherwise things will show in there. Nice. Okay, now we need to figure out how it actually closes up. I think there's a key, which is probably these ones. Oh. So there's a flat one for here, and then a round one. That kind of locks in place. That's why that's a corkscrew shape. Just keep screwing. It's not going through any further though. I think this is where I consult because I have done the majority of the challenge, which is just fine. Oh, it screws the other way around. Okay, so here. And then you screw this one in. Lock it in place. Oh, that's what the key is for. Where's the key? This one, key. That's why there's a key. So you can turn this to lock everything in place. Good. Then this goes in here. And then feet. And feet. Cool. And this one, I think you should just... Damn it! I forgot the face. The face needs to be there first. The face needs to be... Oh, the face needs to be one below as well. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, so face. Let's not forget you. Then you go here. And then that one. And you can just shove this at the back and make sure it fits in. Good, that's locked in. Now you can go in with feet. 1 and feet 2. Feet 2. There we go. So with your left ear, right ear, cheeks, tail, and then nose. I still do have. Jesus. Very useful for this. Let's try and not make him dirty, shall we? Close enough, I guess. And then round cheeks, which are easy. It does have a slit. Oh, it has 4 slits. That's a bit wonk. That's close enough. Look at that little guy. And then Senaka, Ue. Senaka, Shita. Here. And then sheet 4, which is probably going to be on the tail itself. Nice. There we go. With Pika done, let's try and do Eevee, shall we? Again, still got the corkscrew, ears, face, probably face. These are body parts, face, back of head, front of head, body, neck. Okay, back of head. 1, 2, not that one. So there's another piece for them. So there should be a small piece somewhere for the head. Okay, that's for the ear. Big ear, good. That's for the small ear. Which way does that go? That one. Not yet. So that has features of two receptacles. With the ear hole as well. That would have helped, wouldn't it? This way around? Yes, this way around. Should I be concerned that there's a... Okay, so now the face is closing back up. I'm expecting it to extend to the body at some point. Should I be concerned that there's a... That fits. Okay, and then that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then that's where the pin goes. Let's leave that for now. That's tail, I guess. So body. Oh, that's bottom of body, because that's 2 feet. That's bottom of body. So we build up from here, which explains some bits. So you need to build up your tail. And also that's 2 males, so you need 2 females for that layer. Don't drop. Where do you drop? Found it. The clear really doesn't help. Females. Female and female. 2 females? That's 2 white. Female, 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 that one. And 2 males. Huh. So where do you come in then? Oh, that's the tail. That's the tail that comes in through here. I'm guessing it goes in last. Well, it doesn't matter too much. Then layer this. Yeah, that looks about right. And then layer... I think this is the neck part. Okay, so that's that part. Question, how do you get in there? So there's a bit here, so it goes in like that. Okay, there we go. That's gone in. I'm imagining this is quite terrible for you guys to read. And then that just goes in through that. Okay, so... Oh my god. I think this is the key that goes in through here, that locks the body in place. Yes, good. And then this head part should be fairly simple. Because that should just be a press fit. So, yes. And then this is this pin, which goes in like that. That's it. That's not going anywhere. Ah, okay. See this bit? That's actually in a shape. So I'm going to try and undo this part. Okay, so that was the face broken off. Well, hopefully not actually broken, but actually now that means I can actually access this pin and push that back out. So from here, that's the spot. There's the hole. Oh. One more. That one. So face. Oh, I actually don't know how much you guys can see on this one. I apologize. And then this can be pushed in. And then the face goes on. Like that. And then the next scarf. Otherwise, he looks a bit wonky. I think it's this way around. Yes, 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 he is. Marvelous. No instruction needed. Let's try and not mess him up. Wait, that says left. Fuck. He looks derpy already. Why would you put the left eye on the right side? Wait, that doesn't fit. Is it his left or my left? Might be his left. Ooh, come on. So you were right the first time. It just looks wonky. Why do you look so wonky? Alright, yeah, that fits slightly better. If it's his left, then that's right. I'm assuming they did some of these to logic. He's a little bit off, but that's fine. Oop. Yeah, the two keys. They look quite nice under the light, don't they? But this is Crystal 3D puzzle, 48 pieces, 24 each. Instructionless. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this format where I'm challenging myself, but you might not necessarily know what I'm challenging myself for. Anyways, here's a video which you might like, and the list of videos that you might like, and I'll see you next time on the next video of Makers of 4, Master of None. Bye!